Can't videotape it. Oh my god, it's actually in the air!
Oh, I hear
Shitty's the one that can't lift it.
And Tasha's Ethiopian and can still do it. But I guess that in Africa they always lift things, right?
Oh yeah, in Africa.
No, my hands are slipping.
That's what she said.
You should clean the bathroom really.
Tonto! Stepping up.
Also, the both of you are in bare feet. So, if that thing's going down.
It's going against.
Should you have sweat marks?
I know, I'm fucking sweating bucket too.
Oh, where's the bucket? Hey.
And look at us, morally supporting them
Yeah, I know.
by
When we went-
videotaping it.
Oh, by the way, when we win $10,000, I'm just gonna say this now so that no one can say I didn't say it. Me and Mandy, not I. Me and Mandy get $7,500.
Okay, you ruined it. You're ruining the video.
$7,500.
You're ruining the video.
Whatever, I know, I totally ruined it. I'm sorry. I'll just sit back and morally support.
Okay, good idea. You're not even high. I'm the one who's
I'm not even high and I can't even speak. Hey, someone's vibrato.
Oh, it's probably me. I'm vibrato. Where's the phone?
I don't know, it's on my foot. I just know you were vibrato and I felt it on my foot.
Oh, here it is.
Okay, well.